Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. We're doing another special evening edition tonight. These are a lot of fun. It's literally the middle of the night, but it's beautiful and it's nice and cool and it's quiet and there's no lawnmowers. The sprinklers just started going off, but that's okay. So we just finished doing our Serpentine Reef pour, which was really, really cool. And I had actually layered two cups to use on that, but I only ended up using one. So I'm going to use the other cup here onto this canvas that I'm repouring on. It's a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas. The back is taped and there's push pins in. It's a beautiful design, but it's dark and I'm gonna pour on top of it. So I'm gonna show you a clip from the other video, a replay of what the colors were and layering of the cup, and we're gonna put that right here. First one we are using, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. My paint is all mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium and Floetrol. I did add about a teaspoon of GAC 800 to each of my colors about 10 minutes ago because it has been very warm here lately and I don't want to take a chance on anything cracking or crazing, and the GAC is amazing stuff. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. 16-ounce cup, I use about a teaspoon. So the next one I have is Golden's Iridescent Pearl. Beautiful, fluffy, marshmallow fluff, dreamy cloud stuff. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. So that's the Iridescent Pearl. Also have Golden's Payne's Gray. So you can see the GAC 800 is not completely mixed in there yet. This is Golden's Payne's Gray. And I love this color. This is the one that we used actually in Serpentine Wing Pour. And it's beautiful because it's like such a dark background and you have that really striking, what was that color? Cerulean blue we used with that one, and a gold and a cactus green, and it was just beautiful. I'll link that one for you too. But that one had more Payne's Gray. So today we're going in the kind of opposite direction. I'm using a white as my base coat, which I will show you. Well, I'll show you now. Okay, so this big huge tub. So this is white, titanium white. This is Blickrylic Economy Acrylic Polymer, and I bought this on their website. This is a half gallon of titanium white, and it's very similar to the Artist Loft Flow acrylic. It's a little bit thinner, it's a little bit more liquidy, so it's not quite so thick and pasty, and I'm using this as my base coat. So to that, I think I also added just like a dollop of pearl, just to give it a tiny, tiny bit of sparkle so it wouldn't be completely different if the white is against that white. Okay, so that's the base coat. This one here is also Golden's. This is Permanent Violet Dark, but I did things to it. Just one thing. I told you guys about this stuff before. This is Sargents Acrylic Pearlescent Mixing Medium, and I just added maybe a teaspoon to the Permanent Deep Violet, and look at that beautiful shimmer and sparkle. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with it, but I'm very excited about that. I also have my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And the crowd goes wild. So that's the 24 karat gold. So violet, Payne's, metallic cobalt blue, iridescent pearl, gold, and our Blickrylic titanium white. Okay, so now let's go ahead and pour this. So this is the cup that we had layered with the cobalt and the cobalt and the permanent violet dark and the gold and the white and the Payne's Gray. So I'm going to start out with a puddle of gold in the center to pour into. And I think I actually want to put a few more layers in there too. I'm going to pour a puddle of Payne's Gray in the center of that. And then a little bit of white. And then a little bit of our violet. Because for a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas, you need about 21 ounces of paint. And this is a 16-ounce cup. So I probably have about 5 ounces of paint right there. So we're going to do a ring pour. Are you ready, darling?
I am indeed, lass.
Okay. I have to get like a stance, get my footing. Here we go. Let's do a ring pour. Okay, that's awesome. I like that very much. Shove that down just a little bit. You see it's already rolled over the gold. I'm actually going to take my gold and I'm going to go around this. So if it slides over that, maybe make some pretty gold cells for us. Okay, now, after the last pour, I scraped the table. And these are the drips that I scraped off the table. There's a little bit more in there too. So I'm going to pour some of this in here and then I'm going to thin it out just a tiny bit. Actually, you know, I'm not going to because it's really pretty. And we'll just use it all. Because there's beautiful ribbons of color in here now. From how it came off the table. That's so pretty. I love that. I'm such a geek when it comes to paint. Alright, let's tilt this. Should we torch it? Let's torch it first. This is gorgeous. I love that part. Not sure about the center. It's a little better. Okay. Alright, so let's tilt this out a little bit and see if we even need to spread out the flow extender, because we may not need to. I like that side a lot, so we're going to go down that way first. And see, it's going to roll over all of that. It's going to roll over that gold. And I'm just going to walk this down. Shove it back. I don't want to lose that pretty part that I like a lot. Push off the flow extender and the drippy part. And keep the cool stuff. What is that? It's probably opening up. That's pretty cool.
A ring pour by any other name would look as sweet. That look like a rose there for a while. Sorry, weird ass Shakespeare reference.
I think that's done. So I'm gonna wipe my hands off and we're gonna torch it one more time. This is amazing. In here, this part is so cool. Honestly, this is gorgeous. I'm very, very happy with this. And this is very pretty. This is amazing too. This is awesome. So, this is very neat. I like it. It's like a crab or something, or a lobster. But this, just this gradation and this layering. Delicious. And even the cobalt over here. Beautiful. Okay. So yeah, we're done. I will show you this one when it's dry. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us tonight in the middle of the night. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, so this is a few days later now. This was the second cup that we layered from that Serpentine Reef pour, but this one I just did a ring pour with it. Look at these lines. This is so cool to me. I love this. Where it's stretched out and it's spread apart, and you just see that gradient. Love this part in here. So cool. Cue the leaf blowers. That metallic cobalt blue is such an amazing color, though. I really, really love it. And the permanent deep violet, and the pearl, and the Payne's gray. Just beautiful stuff. Really, really pretty. And I love the lines that stretched out and opened up on this one. So this one had the Liquitex Gloss Medium and Floetrol and a little bit of GAC 800 in it. That stuff gives a beautiful gloss also, and beautiful transparency, I think. Just makes the paint so much shinier even when it's wet in the cup. It looks really, really cool. So I need to get some more. But this turned out really, really awesome. I love this piece. Very serene feeling. Very calm, very relaxing colors. And just really beautiful gradient in there. I love that. And that's the cobalt blue mixing with the pearl up there. And the Payne's gray giving us that little bit of dark, dark gray color. Neat stuff. It's very cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I didn't mean to tease you by, you know, what's in the second cup? What will she do with it? But it was kind of fun. Anyway, we have a big surprise coming along for you guys on Sunday. So I hope you will check us out, and I'll give you more information before then. But I thank you so much for spending time with us, and hope you have an awesome, awesome, wonderful day. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.